Angela Lurton. I'm a full-time photographer, full-time mom. My business is Times to Treasure Photography. I specialize in newborns, children, babies, families, events. That is my first love, and that is how everything got started. So I would go into Goodwill to find props. My photography business was kind of taking off, and I was keeping my prices at a decent level. And then a Goodwill opened up on the corner by where I live. And I had been going to various garage sales and driving all over the place trying to find things that were at a reasonable price. And I went in there and I found cool props, baskets, things that I could use. And it was one at a time. And then I thought, you know, when I'm in between shoots, there's a Goodwill in this neighborhood, and then there's a Goodwill in this neighborhood. So it became, between shoots, it was an adventure to go find the best prop for the next shoot, and I couldn't wait to show it off. And I just had a client today text me and say, do you remember that gold velvet chair you have? Can you bring that to your shoot, to our shoot today? And I'm like, yes, I can. I was able to find things that were older and unique at one, and I knew, and I still know, just ones to go to for things that are for newborn, or, you know, people donate numbers and letters, and it's really helped me keep my prices down, because I've been able to find props that are at a reasonable price. If I want to change it next season, I just paint it, or if it breaks, I go looking for another treasure. I used to tell people, I have 4 boys. There is nothing in my house that you can destroy, because it all has come from Goodwill. Well, the problem now is it's unique. So if they break something, it's probably the only lamp or it's probably the only vase that I could find. I couldn't go down to Target and buy another one. There's probably some story behind it, and that's part of what I love, is somebody had this couch or this chair or this end table somewhere, and there's a story behind it, and there's a family behind it, and there's generations of people that may have used it. Like, whose was this? In the beginning, it was about my photography business. What can I do to find treasures that are fun and unique and will benefit my business? But I have a neighbor who works there who's in a wheelchair, and she goes every Wednesday and greets people, and it gives her such pride. I have a friend whose daughter is deaf, and she's gone from in the back tagging things to now she's on the floor. And when I see her there and I see her communicating with clients or customers who are there, it is really, it just puts the icing on the cake. I round up every time. Every time. Like 75 cents to me, I think about the people I know personally. So if I know 2 people that work there and whose lives are touched, think about all the other people that I don't know, that other people know. I don't think it's just an ad that they're playing over the loudspeaker for us to hear. I think it is more than that. It's more than just a store that I mean, it feels good to upcycle, for sure, it does, but I think it's more than that for sure, especially since I know people personally.